guys, Rob and Melissa here with Flea Market Flipper.
Hello.
And Lexi and Roxy joining us on this video from this epic road trip that we just did. 30-day trip.
Our haul from our 30-day trip.
That's it. The stuff behind us, we're going to go over it in a second, but we did a 30-day trip around the U.S. Found awesome stuff in some small towns. Super, super excited. Our goal was to go on this 30-day trip. We actually took our family, 2 of my sisters, and 4 of my nieces. We all went on this trip. We had a blast. We went and saw some crazy cool stuff around the U.S., but we also found some crazy cool stuff, which is awesome. Our goal was to go on this road trip and
for the trip.
Pay for itself, which it did. What was our total that we spent?
Our total that we spent was $1,485. So $1,485.
$1,485 is how much we invested in this stuff behind us.
8 items.
8 items, guys, that we love doing. Larger items that have a larger resale. That's what we do. We absolutely love it. So that's what we were able to do, and we have projected what was it,
$26,000.
$26,000, not $2,600. $26,000, and a big part of it, as you can see right here, was this bus wash. We found that on our last stop in North Carolina.
So excited about that bus
I
wash.
was super excited because I knew what the retail on this bus wash is like $24,000. We should be able to clear. I'm guessing there's only 3 hours on it. We'll be able to clear $15,000 on this bad boy. So I'm gonna get it listed actually tonight. We'll try and sell it as quick as we can. We didn't spend anywhere near $20-some thousand on this road trip. Like I said, we went around.
Definitely will pay for the trip.
Pay for the trip. That's our goal when we do trips, is to be able to find stuff on the road. And I just look for a couple minutes at night when we get to a hotel. I pull out my phone and look in the local areas, and that's how we're able to find these awesome deals. A lot of deals I wasn't even able to buy because I couldn't meet up with the people. Go ahead, you can say something, Rox.
Okay. And we buy some stuff from the trip that
we did, so that we can sell it.
Even a game! Yeah, we actually had to make a trip back up. As you can see the bus wash behind me. We found it on our last stop of the trip of the 30 days. I didn't have enough room. We took an enclosed trailer. This bus wash is bigger than the enclosed trailer. So I actually had to come back, get another trailer, and then Melissa and I took another 2 days. We drove up, picked up the bus wash, the actual arcade that we bought, and the bigger oven in the back, the range.
All within 15 minutes of each other.
That's it, all 15 minutes of each other. We bought all those bad boys, threw them in the truck and the trailer, and made the trip back. So
Did
we
you
had
guys have fun on the trip?
Yeah.
What was your favorite place that we went?
The Salt Flats.
Salt Flats! The Salt Flats were awesome.
Yeah. So we're going to go through what we found.
Yep.
So we had 8 items total that we found, and we picked them locally, and that's one thing to note too is this stuff was all posted locally.
Yeah.
So we're going to sell it on eBay, which reaches so many more people than your local market, which is why we can get it at such a good deal.
Go play.
All right, go play. Go play.
Go play. Let Mom and Dad
What do you want to say?
Go.
And we found some ornaments.
Some ornaments. We love getting ornaments from the places we stopped. We love doing that for the Christmas tree. So we were able to do that as a family. It was a blast. So let's run through what we spent, what we bought. This bad boy was the first one. I told you like before, it's a bus wash. It's Roxy gonna model it for you. Check it out. This is what it does. Careful, Roxy.
You're watching the game.
It moves around so you can actually walk with it. You can go different when you're walking it down. I think it will. Next, back. So you can walk with it.
And go around the bus wash.
But the battery might need to be charged.
A little more.
I don't know why it's not working. Anyways, that's it. Oh yeah, the red light's on. So I got to charge the battery. It came with a battery charger, but it wasn't the right one. I actually had an extra 24-volt battery charger that I'll be able to charge the battery tonight, get it charged up. But only 3 hours on that bad boy. We paid $500 for it, and we're going to sell it for $15,000. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to sell it pretty quick because there's nothing else listed on eBay for that. So I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do it.
Almost lost it under a small bridge on the way home.
We did. We had to back up and go backwards, so it was crazy. But that was fun. That by far is our biggest. Like I said, that's going to account for like $15,000 worth of our income. The rest of it's roughly $10,000, a little bit over $10,000. So that was an amazing piece. The second one, this was the last find that we found in North Carolina. It is a bowling. What's it called? Shuffle in strike zone. It's a vintage, like a bowling game. You have a puck. If you get this thing out of the way.
Okay, so
You can see the bowling pins back there. You have a puck, you roll them down, it knocks over. It's like a bowling arcade game. So pretty sweet. We paid $175 for that bad boy. I think if it's not working right now. The guy said it was working 3 years ago, but then it's not working when I plugged it in. So it might be something small. I'll mess with it a little bit, try to get it working. If I can't, it's probably $1,000 flip. We'll make $1,000 on it because it's vintage, it's old. Somebody will need parts, or they'll just fix it. So that was a killer find as well. So this one, did you add this one in our 8?
No.
Okay, so this one we found. This was our first buy. It's a NASCAR helmet. I don't know that much about these. I only paid $25 for it. My buddy saw it, loves this kind of stuff. I ended up making a deal with him. I'm trading him this, so I'm not going to make any money on this, but I'm going to trade it to him for some lights that he has. But still, killer deal. Super excited about being able to find this helmet. It's got like a little air conditioner port on the side, so it was probably used in a NASCAR race. I don't know. It's a Simpson. When I saw it, I saw it was rare. It looked really cool. So yeah, Simpson is the name of the helmet. It is some type of NASCAR helmet for race cars. So, or race car helmet. It might not be NASCAR. I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, that one we didn't really count. This is one of our other ones. We got this. I think this was a third or second. I'll lift it up. It is a commercial. We bought 5 of these bad boys. They are commercial grade Dance Dance Revolution. Revolution. Dance Dance Revolution. We bought, like I said, 5 of these bad boys. They're really thick boards. Roxy's modeling it for you guys. So, yeah, are you dancing on the Dance Revolution? She likes the game too. So, anyways, we got 5 of those. We paid $150 for all 5. Projected $300. They were selling between $300 and $500. So we should be able to get $300 a piece out of these. $1,500 for a $150 investment. Sweet, killer deal. So let that put it back real quick.
And next we got
this one. Yeah, there you go, Rox. This is a range we found in North Carolina. We don't know yet if we're going to keep this. It's a sweet range. If I can make it work in our house, we might keep it. It's a 40-inch Frigidaire Professional series. It's a double. I don't know if you can see it back there. It's actually got a double oven, like a bread oven on the side that opens up, and then a fold-down oven. It's gas and electric, so it's a mixture of both. Killer deal on that. We paid $200 for that. If we do sell it, we'll probably get in the neighborhood of $2,500. It's like a $5,000 oven or range, so we'll probably ask half price for it if we do sell it. Killer deal on that as well. Back on the other side, you can see the antique popcorn machine. It came out of a theater from the 50s. That's when that machine was. I paid, what did I pay for that, $250?
Yeah.
I paid $250 for that bad boy. That was our first big one.
we got it from the farm.
From the farm! We actually bought it from a guy on a farm. I don't remember where that was, do you?
South Dakota.
South Dakota, we bought that bad boy. The guy got it from an auction.
Not South Dakota, but somewhere.
Yeah, I don't know. He bought it from an auction, sold it to us, $250. These things were selling from anywhere, I think the ones had sold were $5,000. So I estimated $2,500. It needs a little bit of work. It needs to be cleaned up. We broke the glass on it in the trailer. It was one of the first ones we got. So it made it all around the country with us through the trailer. So like I said, I'll have to replace the glass. I'll clean it up, see if I can get it working. And then we'll go ahead and sell it either as is. But it's sweet. It's from the 50s. It's a killer popcorn machine. Super heavy, super commercial. That was a killer deal as well. We're excited about that one. So
Last one we have.
2 more. The cooktops. The one on top is a 45-inch cooktop. Paid $150 for that one as well. Husker's making an appearance right there. What do you pay for that? $150?
Yeah.
Paid $150 for the 45-inch. We should conservatively be able to get $1,500 for it. Well, that won't be that hard. It's a killer cooktop. Super cool. And then the one below, you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a smaller one, a little more of a vintage one. We paid $40 for that. We'll be able to get $1,000 out of that. Now, you guys might be saying on some of this stuff, there's no way you're going to get this kind of money. The key with what we do, guys, is commercial. I mean, it's shipping. It's freight shipping. Everything you see here, including the bus wash, I'm going to offer it with shipping. I will ship this anywhere in the country. I'll build a pallet. I'll throw it on a pallet. And that's how we're going to sell it, because we will ship it to anybody. And I can do it very reasonable. So that's why we do what we do. That's how we're able to do these bigger items and still make up to over $20,000 on this haul, guys, for a 30-day pickup when we did a road trip. So it was amazing trip. It was a lot of fun finding all these items. Now we're going to get to work, clean them up, get some pictures, and get them posted so we can make that money. That's right.
And we went horseback riding.
We did. Horseback riding in the Outer Banks was so much fun.
You guys had fun, right? We wanted to also give away our beginner's guide to selling on eBay for anybody who might be interested in getting started with eBay. You don't have to start with this big stuff.
That's it.
We'll drop that link below. So.
Melissa will put it below. The beginner's guide to selling on eBay. That is where you start. That is what you do to get into this, to be able to make some good money.
We didn't start at this big stuff.
We didn't.
Look
It
at
took
the
us time.
money that is there if you are willing to sell and ship on eBay.
That's it.
So.
That's it. You just have to be willing to do it. That's where we took our next step to actually go to the next level was was selling the larger items and then shipping them freight. So we had to figure that out. We did, and now we love doing it. It's a blast, and it's awesome to be able to make the profits we can on this stuff. So
thanks, guys, for watching.
Cool. All right, guys, say bye.
Can you say
Bye.
bye?
You guys rock. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Wait, Bubby's gonna say bye.
Bye.
See ya.